Advanced navigation systems. Space technology has completely transformed the way we find our way around the world, and you probably use it more often than you realize. Think about GPS, the global positioning system, which started as a tool for the military but now guides us in almost everything we do. Whether you're road tripping to a new city or simply finding the fastest route to work, GPS is your ultimate co-pilot. But it doesn't stop there. Delivery services, ride-sharing apps, and even those cute little drones dropping off packages wouldn't work without this spaceborne technology. What's amazing is how much it's improved over the years. GPS isn't just about getting from point A to point B anymore. It's about precision and efficiency in ways that change industries. Farmers, for example, use GPS for precision agriculture, which sounds fancy but just means they can plant seeds or apply fertilizers exactly where they're needed. This saves time, cuts costs, and even helps the environment. In cities, GPS helps urban planners design smarter traffic systems to reduce congestion. Every time you hear about smart cities, know that space tech is silently working in the background to make them happen. Then there's the life-saving side of navigation. During natural disasters, GPS becomes a hero. Emergency teams use it to pinpoint locations, coordinate relief efforts, and find people who might be stranded. Imagine the chaos of organizing help without knowing exactly where to send it. This technology gives rescuers a major advantage and makes recovery faster and more effective. It's not just for emergencies though. GPS keeps planes safely in the sky and ships on course in the vastness of the ocean, which, let's face it, is pretty incredible. The best part? Navigation systems are only getting better. Think about the potential of self-driving cars and automated delivery drones. They rely on increasingly accurate satellite systems to avoid obstacles and navigate crowded spaces. So next time your GPS smoothly reroutes you around traffic or gets you to a new coffee shop, remember, it's not just a handy gadget, it's a piece of space technology working tirelessly to keep our world moving.